Surprise gifts, flowers, and holidays are always welcome. Maybe a cliched point, but does wonders to make her feel special. If you look at her as more than a friend, but do not make it clear, you will be easily friend-zoned. She is invested in you and does do things selflessly. When you show similar concern, you win her heart big time. If she teases you and gives you nicknames, she is usually attracted to you and sees you as more than a friend. Women tend to remember more of those who ignore them than those who constantly talk to them. Women judge very quickly, and their judgment rarely goes wrong. Women are usually impatient. If you compare your girl with another girl, it's your lost. Women tend to fall in love with those who talk naughty. For women, saying bye doesn't mean bye. It sometimes means, don't go away, or, please stay with me longer, I need you now. Women do like men who can change their mood or make them laugh more than those rich hot men. And men, you should know that women are no sex objects. If you want to win in an argument, just be quiet for a while and see the result. Girls don't enjoy talking dirty as much guys do. Girls hate it when guys say perverted things. Girls are more talkative in nature than guys. When a girl says she's sad, but she isn't crying, it means she's crying in her heart.